You didn't quit? You're really like against all odds. You're doing something that no one in the family has done, that none of your friends have done. You really don't know where this is going to end. And you're kind of adventuring into an odd place. You're discovering all new stuff that's never been done. It's great, and you'll be mentally stronger. And so I'm proud of you, because this is all tough now, but it will pay off. Because when you need it, you'll be strong enough.